For me, I had really bad acid reflux, as I just described to you. I had absolutely no energy. I had chronic migraines that were light sensitive, right? So you want to write these things in, but take a personal inventory of your health. Where was I? Where am I? Right? For you, it's still current, right? Where am I in my health? How are my energy levels? How is that? What does that look like? And just be honest and write it all out. Are you on prescription medications in any time? Do you have any chronic illnesses? Right? What are your energy levels like? So go ahead and really fill that one in. Now, once you've done that, the next question is, what's my health issue? What has my health issues cost me up to this point in my life? And this is very important, right? Because our choices have costs. And this is a lesson that one of our mentors taught us. And, I've done this exercise a lot with different things in my life. And when I start thinking about the costs, I realized just how heavy my decisions have been. So, Jason, what's an example of a cost that somebody might be experiencing related to their health issue? What was a cost?
So one of the biggest costs was, remember how I told you, starting to go on vacation